Hi, Craig here from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Avenue, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 38481382, and today we have a Holden VE Omega Commodore. This series of VE ran from the 8th month 2009 to the 4th month 2013. The stock reference number for this vehicle is 2877B. It has a 3-litre Petrol V6 engine known as the LFW with an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. 3-litre V6. If you're unsure of what type of engine your Commodore has, the silver plate here in behind the airbox tells you. Just down in there, fence code, everything you need is there.
Didn't know it was being painted before.
A nice clean bonnet, appears to be damage free. Nice chrome grille. Right hand headlight. Left hand headlight. Nice clean left hand guard. Appears to be damage free. Got some mag wheels off an SV6. A good left hand electric door mirror without puddle light. Left hand front door is good for private. Unfortunately had a little bit of previous repairs, so it does have a little bit of bog in it. The left rear door only has one small dent there up the top. Good left hand tail light. Both the right hand doors appear to be damage free and in good condition. Good right hand electric door mirror without puddle light. Nice clean right front guard, appears to be damage free. This VE Omega is fitted with a cloth interior. Has an airbag kit. Nice bucket seats. Have a good steering wheel. Instrument cluster. Factory CD player. Air conditioning, heating controls. Automatic transmission. Power windows. Nice clean console. Passenger side sun visor. Roof console. Driver sun visor. Interior mirror. At Total Parts Plus, we have a real warranty which we uphold. We also ship parts Australia-wide daily. You can find us via our website, totalpartsplus.com.au, or our eBay store, Total Parts Plus One. We also use social media like Facebook, Instagram and Twitter to keep our followers and our customers up to date with the new stock coming through daily. Or you're more than welcome to pop by our Coopers Plains warehouse and say hello to one of our friendly sales staff. We'd like to thank you for watching our video today.